Hello friends, today we are going to start with the first program, Java Hello World. For that we will create one workspace with the name Java Works example. Wherever you want to create your own workspace in your system, I will open this. I will create my first program in this folder. The name, whatever the name you have given for this hello dot java extension, you should give. From this we will open terminal. We should give the java location, java file where you are created. You should go to that directory and compile that java c. Java c will compile your java file. It will create one more .class file in that same work directory. Nothing is here, so I need to write java hello world. Save this file. Now we will run this. We'll create a one .class file. This is our .class file, which is consist of byte codes. The machine can understand only the byte code. The Java compiler will compile that code in that converted to the byte code. Now we can run that byte code java hello. See friends, this is our, it is printing whatever we have given here. This will print whatever, only a 4 line of code. we'll explain in the next class what is class, what is public static void main string args, system.out.println. This in upcoming classes we can upload for the whole detail. Thank you for watching.